the revelations are hidden. So it is that absolute remoteness in the fact that there's no other people out there and nobody else really has any information, and there's probably not anybody there, and it's landlocked on all sides by deep Alaska. I think the closest civilization from the revelations is 120 miles away. But being alone in these mountains, you really just feel this sense of how small you are. I think that the revelations will be that mountain range in Alaska that maybe continues to see a little bit of exploration from small teams like me and you guys, but I don't think that, and I hope that it doesn't become a major playground. I hope that it just continues to be this place where a few small teams every decade can go and find adventure and solitude in the mountains, because there's not that many places left like it.